Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Got an absolutely gorgeous brokerage listing to show you today. This is a 2024 Sea Ray 230 SPX Outboard. It's in great condition, being offered by the original owner. Sea Ray blue hull color, white bottom, powered by a white Mercury 200. It's got the sports tower with the bimini up top, no bottom paint. Like I said, Sea Ray blue hull color. It's got the stone interior, gray sea deck throughout on the swim platform and in the cockpit. Gorgeous boat, tons of great features. Just a quick exterior walkthrough before I hop up there. Really classic color combination on this boat, and the condition of it is sure to impress anybody. You see I'm standing on the swim platform here. Transition walkway on the port side, stepping down into the cockpit. Sea deck glued down. Twin bucket seats. This has the 9-inch Simrad touchscreen with your Mercury vessel view built in. You got the Fusion stereo unit, upgraded speaker package. You see the sub right there. It's got the blue LED package. It's got the bow filler cushion, so this entire area is one big sun pad. Anchor locker up in the bow. Got your head compartment here with a light up above. Every compartment on this boat is very clean. So you've got cooler down here under that bench seat. Storage under every compartment, including this big storage locker you see in the photos, and under both of the sides in the bow seating. But the biggest storage area is you pull this clip and this lifts up. Gas shocks. Both your cockpit and bow tables are stored here, as well as the posts for them. Designated storage. You've got the bow filler cushion, as well as the fiberglass plate that it sits on. All of the life vests, cleaning supply, bucket. This boat's ready to go. It's got only 23 hours on the Mercury 200. You can see right there, 23.2 hours. Gorgeous boat. Cared for by a great owner. Dry stack kept here in the Carolinas. Wonderful family boat. In absolutely fantastic condition. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell. That number is 239-249-4345. Again, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach, showing you a beautiful Sea Ray 230 SPX 2024. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.